I like this one. The Epsom-It Soothing Muscle Lotion. 8 ounces. Immediately feels like Epsom salt bath without the bath or the water or the commitment. This is the high magnesium sulfate concentration. So you actually feel it becoming effective on those stiff legs, knees, feet, like maybe post-workout muscles. It has no smell whatsoever. It is fast absorbing. And because it has no smell, it doesn't clash with like perfumes or like I use scented lotions. And it's not like greasy. It doesn't leave you sliding across the floor if you put it on your feet. Just beware that there's Arnica in here, which adds that extra layer of comfort for achy, overworked muscles. Why this one stands out to me, why I choose this. It delivers that targeted relief where you need it. So if you love Epsom salt baths but always don't have time, this is the go-to. It works so well for the nightly leg cramps, the restless legs, sore feet, tight muscles, and there's no grease. No, not greasy at all. Or medicinal. That's also another good point. Simple ingredients, and it's easy to use daily, whether after workouts, before bed, or any time that stiffness does decide to show up. This should be the go-to. Love it. This is the skip the tub, keep the relief option. And honestly, it's a real good power move. I do it all the time. This Epsom-It Soothing Muscle Lotion, highly recommend it. The opinions in this review are mine, and they are based on my real use of the product. The product was provided by the brand.